Got everything ready for today.
What do you say?
Yeah, that way.
Lalo,
Trap?
let's put one of your songs right here. Ready, set, go.
Yeah, this shit heavy. Riding down the street with a Chevy. Yeah, my name is Eddie. This bitch look like Mary. Pull up skating, blowing on Betty. Why your bitch so hairy? Here's some money, go buy her a racer. So she can clean like Aquafina. Diamonds on me dancing, fuck a feeling. I'm scheming through the demons. I just rise. I just want your bitch with like a price. Yeah, bitch, don't fuck with us. Yeah, nigga, don't fuck with us.
It's light up time.
What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be vlogging, update you with what's going on with the truck because it needs some work done to it by the end of this month. Damn, it's freaking sun. Can you guys even see me? Alright, there we go. Alright, so today we're gonna take the truck to a muffler shop because my service engine light is on, and I connected the OB2D sensor, and the diagnostic got me like 5 different codes. 2 of those codes are from the engine, which is P0404, and then the second one is P0420. Blaze it, fool. Okay, and then so for the first code, I gotta change the EGR valve, and then the second one, it's cat fail. Bank one is on the left side of my engine, so that cat might be messed up, but that's the newest cat I have. So that's why we're going to muffler shop so they can check them out, and if one is bad, we're gonna fix it. And since I'm already there, might as well get some exhaust tips, right? I don't know, but yeah, that's what we're gonna do today, and then go start filming my truck so I could get you guys a sick ass video. And then I got this little ass fool coming along. I'm gonna get these guys. Titanium. I'm gonna just get this one right here. This muffler.
Yeah, that way.
Lalo!
That's a nice one.
Where the beer? Damn, whose truck is that in there?
Mine? Just kidding. check out my music, and shout out to one of my best bros, Alex, Big Ol' Chili, and Manny Host.
Alright guys, so no more piping on the back. Now it's right here. Damn, that thing's clean. Sick. Hell yeah. That means it puts in work. That's an ass dimple, man. She got cheeks, that's why. Hell yeah, cuz.
Day 2.
Alright, today's the next day. Sorry I didn't do the outro last night. We got home like around 12 something from filming the truck. So I gotta get the truck smogged by the end of this month, which is December 31st, because that's when my plates expire. So that's why I took it to that muffler shop to check the cats, because my service engine light is on, and with the service engine light on, it won't pass the smog, so that's gonna bring me more trouble. But both the cats are fine, and since I was just there, might as well get those tips and change the exhaust to that side, since I've been wanting to do that. And came out pretty tight. So the truck had two codes. The first code was for that cat, but the cat's fine, so don't have to worry about that one. And the other code, which was P0404, it's for the EGR valve, which is in the engine. I'll show you guys later, because I'll tell you right now. So I ordered that part online from 1aauto.com. They have a bunch of good replacement parts for basically any vehicle, and they have the installation videos there as well. So I ordered the part there. It was about 50 bucks. And then today I just got a call from them saying that they're out of stock in that part and they won't be in stock till January 6th. So I just told them to cancel and give me the refund, because I need it before the end of this month. The truck should be good after that. Well, hopefully it's good after that, because I'm not sure if that's actually going to fix the service engine light. And right now we're gonna go back to Riverside and finish finish filming the truck, and then get that edited for you guys so you guys can enjoy. Alright guys, so it's raining pretty hard, and so I can't finish filming today. So I'll finish it another day when it's not raining, because my equipment's not waterproof. So now we're just gonna go to AutoZone and get that EGR valve that I needed for the truck. I got it guys, but fuck man. Check it out. 142 for this little ass piece. Online, like I said, it was 50 bucks online. 50 bucks online, but they fucking ran out of stock, so it wasn't gonna come till next month, and I need it by the end of this month. So damn, gotta do, man, gotta do what you gotta do so I can keep this baby running. Ha! Yeah. Alright, what's up YouTube? We're installing the EGR valve right now. I got a live stream going on right now on Instagram. Everybody say what's up. There's no one in here. Fucking shit. If you're in here, say what's up. You're gonna be in the vlog. Who's in here? Say what's up to the vlog. Shout out to whoever's in here. Hey, I just have to take off 2 screws, Lalo. Come on. It's just 2 screws. I don't know if you guys can hear me that good because of the damn freeway, but we're under a bridge where the rain doesn't hit, and we're about to change the part right here. Alright, so we finally got it off. One of the screws are super tight. Look at this thing. This thing was done. Look at that. Hardcore dirty. Check out the new one. Nice and clean. Like Aquafine. Hey! Alright. Let me get the gasket. Oh. It's under my phone and shit. Get the gasket. Damn, it looks clean. And then put the electrical back in. And hopefully like that, my check engine light is gone. We'll see. If anything, I might have to replace this wire too, but we'll see. Alright guys, so the service engine light still didn't come off. It's still there. So I don't know what to do. I'm gonna check it again with the OB2D sensor and see if that code's at least gone, and maybe the cat code will come back. I don't know, but we'll see what's up, and I'll let you guys know. Alright, I'm gonna end the vlog right here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this 2-day vlog. It was pretty freaking awesome. Alright, you guys have a great one. Don't mind my crazy hair. Peace out, everybody.
Don't let this shit take